Alright, we have 4 humpbacks. Right out towards 10 o'clock. They seem to be on the move. We call this behavior charging, and that's why we think they are feeding deeper in the water column. We were actually able to identify 3 of the whales within this group. We know that one of the whales' name is Jupiter, another whale is named Snowslide, and the other whale's name is Storm. We were able to do that by looking at the dorsal fin on their back. Each whale has a unique dorsal fin, just like the unique pattern on the underside of their fluke. So we have Snowslide, Jupiter, and Storm. We're not sure who the 4th whale is. Here we go. This is Jupiter.
Eat that.
They may be going under the boat. Keep watching on the right-hand side. Don't guarantee where they will resurface, but look at those green patches in the water. Those are the large white pectorals, and they're about 15 feet in length and an adult. They will appear green, however,